we rise here again, this little farther up on the Carrowbeg River, and the lovely seagulls here beside us. And I have thought many a time of, we'll say, taking Westport in its totality, and away with it, the birds of Westport are a huge, vital part of the totality of the town. So the thing with it, I think of dear Brendan Behan, and especially that little line in his song, The Owl Triangle, where the seagulls were wheeling above the wall. And I just sing a small bit of that to celebrate our seagulls here, our ducks, the little willy wagtails that's in Westport, the house sparrows, the starlings, the crows, and every one of them. And all the tremendous orders we get today from wonderful, mighty men of nature, like even David Attenborough, to be inclusive in our gardening and our treatment of the creatures, the birds, the insects, including the pollinators, and all of them, to rejoice with them and to cross the old world, as it were, with them as well. But anyway, this little bit by Brendan Behan. A hungry feeling came o'er me stealing, and the mice were squealing in my prison cell, and that old triangle went to jingle jangle all along the banks of the Royal Canal. To begin the morning, the word of bowling, get up orders and clean up yourself. And that old triangle went to jingle jangle all along the banks of the Royal Canal, and the seagulls wheeling high above the wall, and that old triangle went to jingle jangle all along the banks of the Royal Canal.